Fresh firing at Koutruk Hill Range has resulted in death of 2, including a woman and a village volunteer, and injuries of 8 others, including a young girl. Impact TV News journalist Elangbam Mushuk sustained injury on his hand. The attack occurred today following a rally held by Kuki community demanding a separate administration yesterday. According to information received by SKTV News, around 2 p.m. this afternoon, Kuki militants carried out fierce attack from Bethel village in Kangpokpi district towards Koutruk Hill Range, located within Lamsang police station in Imphal West district. The exchange of fire lasted approximately 1 hour, during which security forces stationed in Koutruk engaged in retaliation. The deceased, Angom Ongbi Surbala, 31 years of age, of Paying, who was visiting her maternal home, was fatally injured when she was struck by a bullet in the head. Her 12-year-old daughter, Ngangbam Rojia, sustained bullet wound to her right arm and has been transferred to Raj Medicity from RIMS for further treatment. The other victims include Raj Toijam, a village volunteer who survived despite a bullet shot to his chest due to bulletproof vest. He is currently being treated at RIMS. Constable Robert Ngasepam, 29 years of age, of Awang Kuno Maninglaikai Patsoy, who is serving as escort of DIG Range 1, sustained bullet injury to his left leg and bomb splinter wounds to his stomach. He is also receiving treatment at RIMS. The body of the deceased Surbala has been kept in RIMS mortuary. Inau Takelambam, aged 26, of Uripok Polem Laikai, who sustained bullet injury on lower abdomen. Thadoi Haigrujam, 19 years of age, of Tharoijam, who sustained bullet injury on right shoulder. And Moirangthim Ingobi, 53 years of age, son of late M. Toiba of Yaripok Top Chingtha, presently posted at 2nd MR. He sustained bomb splinter injury on left hand. Sources indicate that the violence has not abated, with intermittent firing continuing throughout the day. Efforts to evacuate injured have been severely hampered due to the heavy exchanges of gunfire and multiple bomb explosions. The explosion caused significant damage to houses, resulting in chaos and forcing people to flee to safer locations. Concerns are growing over potential further attacks, with reports suggesting that Kuki militants may be planning attacks in Kakching district, Bisnupur district, and areas in Imphal East district. On the other hand, chairperson of Payeng Gram Panchayat, Angom Gojendro, has expressed dissatisfaction over Manipur government.
Hello?
ngasi thoiba thodo asi agi imau haiba tare ngasi asi masanupi ga loinana magi mapam Koutruk ni haribu Koutruk asida sasagibani pung ani ye timing adaida ikhang haudana plan tawrga lenambagi mongda nongmaina bom na attack tawrga ngasi gi thodo asi lekidabani masi yam thina pende sumba thong asi singya loya da leiba khungang asida toina Koutruk ka danate leiriba Payeng Gram Panchayat ki manungda leiriba Tarenbukpi Kangsu Payeng hariba area asida thoi hani ngai lete maramdi singa tainaba kwaidagi nakpa mafam asida sumaina government asu matik chaba force thambidaba adigi thamiba central forcing CRB na kadugdana numai adu yam kanna kapnar timing duda kari dabagi yenga leiribno adu moina halaga kapu yadaba sumbagi sarkar gi sumba thawong athingba leiba mina kabaga khoibu siro haibagi nongda moina halaga su kaptaba akhoi adum siro haibra
Matam sana lepuro matunda ngasi ikang khangokdana nungdin pung anirom tawa matamda khoi Koutruk area asida kuki khulai paibasing na khangokdabida khoi maitai thaba khunda afaba khulai kya paiduna mangmai kya kapsala khoi matungina khoi leiba jaga asida leiba misam nupi ama so amadi khoi khunngakpa amaga leikhitre ngasi लेकिन मतुंग विलेज वॉलंटरी है खुनाप निफान तादना हेना सोपगी चाम क्या वाखल स्टेट फोर्स चिंब क्या सोक्तना मफम की मफम लेप लेतना नाकन अनिमकी मरक्ता खुदकन थोंगरी अदुबु की खुलाई पाइसिन अफब कया की ड्रोन पाइदुना बोम कया थादरी हिरमजी की पौदम जरिबा SKTV न्यूज़ कौट्रुक।